Hey guys, it's me, Sharan. So today I'll be doing a video about mathematics. Revision is really video number 2. So in the evening, I have made a video about part 1. So now I'll be doing a video about part 2 of revision. Where guys, I'm going to teach you about 2.1 and 2.2. So guys, so the core concepts of 2.1 and 2.2 are, so exercise 2.1, so it's Euclid's division lemma. So Euclid's division lemma is actually the formula of A is equal to BQ plus R. So guys, I'm going to teach you a very, very important 5-mark, which is find the LCM of 84, 90 and 120 guys. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do the Euclid's division lemma. So the first thing is that you're going to write by Euclid's division lemma is equal to BQ plus R. So the first thing is that LCM of 84, 90. So first we're going to find the LCM of 84 and 90. Alright, no one watching? Great. So if you want to find the LCM of two numbers between Euclid's division lemma, you have to put the bigger number outside, then you got to put the small number inside. So guys, so in 90 tables, how much does 84 comes? 1 time plus, so 84, 90 times 1 is 90, so there is not 84, so you can just put as 1. So what is 90 minus 84? 6. 6. So if you put 84 over here and you put a 6 over here, how many times does 6, how many times in 6 tables that 84 comes in? So you're going to do multiplication. So 10 times 2, 10 times 6, 60, 66, 12, 6, 2, 1, 72, 30 times 6 is 8, 1, 78, then 14 times 6 is 4, so it's 14 times plus 0, so LCM of 84 and 90 is equal to 6. So we have found the LCM of 84 and 90 is 6. So let's find it with the normal way of finding LCM. For tables 4, 2, 4, 5, tables to 1. Put in 3 tables, 1, 2, 1, 5. Again 3 table, 4, 5. 4 table, 1, 5. 5 table, 1, 4. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 3 times 2. So 20. 360. Will be the normal resolution, but using if extinction dilemma, it's 6. So guys, the answer is not yet done. So now the answer is 6. So LCM of 6 and 120. So 120, bigger number, 6. 6 tables, how much? 120 comes. So it's 166, 2 is 12. 12. So if you add a 0, 120, so it's 20 times plus a 0. So you gotta keep dividing until the remainder becomes 0. So therefore, LCM of 6 and 120 is equal to 6. So 6 is equal to 6. So therefore, LCM of 84, 90, 120 is equal to 6. So is anyone watching, guys? Is anyone there watching? Oh, someone put a heart. Can someone say hi if you're there in the chat? I guess no one. So guys, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I have an exam tomorrow or retest due to the revolution caused by my classmates, of course. So is anyone there? I guess no. So there's one teacher, but also another important sum. Guys, this is the question. So now I'm going to be writing the answer. So the question is that if D is the HCF of 32 and 60. So this is under part, this is second part, this is third part. So first, by Euclid's division lemma, is equal to VP plus 1. 60 is equal to 32. 2 times 10. So 60 minus 32 is 8, 4, 3, 2. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Is the answer will be 4. HCF of 32 and 60 is equal to 4. So therefore, D is equal to 4. So in order to substitute by the formula of x and y, we are going to take this as 1, take this as 2. So now let's go over this column. Given is equal to E is equal to 32 x plus 60 y. So guys, from 2 we can substitute. There was question number 2, so it's 32 is equal to 28 plus 4. So it's 20. I mean, yeah. From 2, we gotta add this. So D will become 4 is equal to 32 will remain the same, but okay, but let me simplify. So if this goes on, so D is equal to 32 x plus 60 y. If you bring the exponent of this will become D and minus x plus y is equal to 32 plus 60. So guys, give me a second so I can see what's sum is. So how do we get that one? So D is equal to 30. So from 2 means both of these equations equal to 4 is equal to 32 minus 28. So this is from 1. And see that 4 is equal to 32 minus 60 minus 32. So you'll get 4 is equal to 32 minus 60 plus 32. You'll get 4 is equal to 32. It's kind of messy, so from 1, 4 is equal to 32 minus 60 minus 32, and 4 is equal to 32 minus 60 plus 32, and 4 is equal to, since there are two 32s, you can make them as 2 plus 60 minus 1. So comparing with the this will be the answer. So guys, we'll complete 2.1 and 2.2 is the same, but you gotta remember these. So now let's go to 3.18. Hey guys, this is actually the 17 is the definition, guys, like how does a matrix look like, and 3.18 we have done, like the addition and subtraction. So now let's go for 3.19. 3.19 is nothing but just multiplication of matrices. So if they give A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they give you A into B. 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2. I'll teach you guys how to okay, this is actually not kind of possible because look guys, 2 rows, and 3 columns. Also 2 rows and 3 columns. So So order of matrix A into B is equal to 2 is equal to 3? No. Okay, so guys, we will do this. So multiplication of matrices look like this. So the first box of first element, then this box, then this. Guys, careful this. Listen this carefully, because if you don't understand, then you're done wrong. So 3 into 1 will become 12, and 2 into 5 will become plus 10, and 1 to 6 will become plus 6. Now the same method as this. So 0 into 1 will become 0, and 10 plus 12, 0 plus 25 plus 24. So what will be the answer that you get? It will be 10. That will be 22 plus 6 will become 28, 22, 49. That's a multiplication of it. Guys, if you don't want to answer the box, look at this. This arrow and these two arrows. And this arrow. And okay, if you've already done that, put like this type of arrows. Then if you've done that, you put like this. Then you put like this. Then you can understand easily. This is how my teacher taught me. Done. Okay, I won't say that's done. There are still some concepts that you gotta know. What you guys are watching? So, guys, imagine if they give you 3, 4, 5, 7, 2, 0, 5, 2, and if they ask you, so become 3. So 3, 4, 5, 7. So guys, if there's like no symbol here, that means it's multiplication. So this into this, this into that, this into this into that. So 3 these are 9, 10 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 5b, same, but you gotta multiply by 5. 2, 0, 5, 2. Now you get 10, 0, 25, 10. So you gotta add 3a plus 5b. So we got 9, 12, 15, 4 plus 10, 0, 25, 10. So you gotta add the alternative elements, which is like the first element in first set and the second element in second set. So 9 plus 10, 21, just kidding, it's 19. And then 12, 40. This will be the answer. So yep, that's it now. Officially, we have done 3.9 here. 4.4, which is geometry, so we'll go to geometry later. Alright, we'll just do it right now. So guys, look at 4.4, 13th question. What is the question? Draw two tangents from a point which is 10 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Also measure the length of the tangent. Verification required. So, exercise 4.4, PG, 13th sum, given radius 5 centimeter and line away from circle 10 centimeter. So with these measurements, we can draw a rough diagram. Okay, so now guys, draw a circle of 5 centimeters with a compass and put the dot as O. Now, after you're done, put a line segment of 10 centimeters away from the circle. I'm going to show that it's 5 centimeter. So guys, so from taking more than half, try to place the compass over here more than half. Then draw a perpendicular bisector over this and here. And from here, draw from this to here. Now there you should get a line. Does it touch? Okay guys, so it should basically touch. Should basically touch. So from this as the diameter, we're gonna draw another circle. Then draw line over here, then draw line over here. That's it. That's basically it, guys. That's all 8.4 on your program. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So guys, I'm gonna go to probability 8.3. This is gonna be quick and easy, guys. You just gotta understand two concepts. So the first one will be coin tossing. Sample space for coin tossing. So coin tossing. Imagine you have two coins. Sample space for two coins. So which is heads, tails. So if you toss this heads coin, there's a probability that you will get another head and a tail. If you throw this coin, you will get a head or a tail. If you throw this coin again, you will get a head, another head and another tail. So H T H T H T. So this is the sample space for coin. So this line, okay, so this line, okay, I'm gonna do a blue marker. This line, this line, this line, this line, and this line, this line, this line, this line. So follow the lines, guys. So it's H H H H H H H H T H T H H T T. Now this is over. Now this one. T H H T H T T T H T T T. So this is the main thing you gotta remember of sample space. So now that the sample space of coin is done, I'm gonna teach you guys the sample space of dice. The die. Second one will be sample space of two dice. Two dice. So there are 6 numbers. So guys, you know it's abbreviations and functions. So how we did A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the reason why I have done all of these 6 as, so A is one dice or die, B is also another dice or die. So both of them have 6 numbers. So you gotta find A into B. So we're gonna find A into B. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, dot. It just goes on and on. That just follows the same order of how a sample space should work. So guys, imagine a coin is tossed thrice. What is the probability of getting 2 consecutive tails? 2 consecutive tails. So first sample space will be N into S. So H. H T H T H T T will become T T H T H T H T T T T H. So let's do the thing again. H H T H T H T H T H T H T HHH HTH HTH HTT. Now THH THH THT TDH. Now TTT. So guys, two consecutive tail means two or more tails. So two or more tails means that two or more tails. So it's H T T T H T. I mean they want like in a row, like T T H T T T. So 3, 8. Yeah. So guys, we are done with 3.3. Now let's go for 3.4. So guys, remember these formulas. It's kind of hot in here. Oh, a lot of eyes. So important formulas: A will become P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And P of A intersection B will become P of A plus P of B minus P of A union. P of A union B union C will become P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of AB P of AB So it has to be a sum based on this, the last problem.